Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about a major trend and transition in 2019. We see the big major transformation from one to many to many to many. Now, what do I mean by one to many and many to many? So in the past, we had often those big dedicated marketing departments, which were living like a little island in the big ocean of the company. They were left alone. Basically they could do whatever they want. And then they were just expect to promote the company, increase sales, raise brand promotion. And they were mostly using channels which were broadcasting. Broadcasting as you put something in the newspaper and a lot of people read it. There's no direct form of communication. Nobody can go on the newspaper and leave a comment below it. Or another form is like radio. You're broadcasting out the signal, people receiving it on their little radio station, people watching television, equally broadcasting one to many. Now today we have a major transition to many in many different aspects. Many to many in different channels. There's not only one channel or not just three channels, but there's so many different channels. We have social media networks, all the different networks. We have so many different content formats. We have text, audio, video, documents. We have events. There's so many different mediums that you can use for marketing. Then we have so many different company departments that are now getting involved in marketing and working together. It's not just the marketing department doing whatever they want. It's everyone communicating with each other. The engineering team talking back to the marketing team and telling what are the features that the customers demand the most, and then they can show which were the features when we did A/B testing of advertising different aspects of our product, which one got people most excited, how can we develop more of this technology into our product to make this work. You have this interconnectedness between different departments, the sales department talking to the marketing department, telling them directly what they need to make more sales. And then there is the major transition that is just in the beginning, and it's basically not having just one channel, the marketing department broadcasting out, but having all and every one of your employees, everyone in your team broadcasting out the marketing message, and not just a one-way street, having a two-way street where people communicating. Think of this. If you had 1,000 employees and 1,000 employees were talking to 10,000, 20,000 people, and they're talking back and getting all of this information, the employees are all talking to each other inside the company. There's so much information going on, so much knowledge to be learned, so much what you can learn, how you can improve your products based on customer feedback and then change the technology, and the technology department can talk to the marketing department, to the sales department. It's going to be one big interconnectedness that's going to change dramatically, not only how products are marketed, but also how products are developed. So what do you think of this trend? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more marketing videos like this in your inbox.